Welcome back to Market Pros. All right, so here we got Solana on the 4 hour on FTX. So we have been grinding out this area like we were talking about. We was probably going to come back down to this area. We did get the rejection from that 21. Let's see what the momentum's doing. Right now we're in the bearish control zone, and your MACD looks like it's going to get a test. Now, if we can cross this to the upside and build some positive momentum here, we could probably get past this 21. Now, if we do not do that, and this is just a test and resumption, and our negative momentum starts to increase and we stay in the bearish control zone, we'll probably come back down to this line right here like we were talking about. That's when we'll decide whether we're going to make a double bottom or whether this is going to break and we go down quite a bit more. So your BBWP is contracting into the lower zone. Let's go down to the 1 hour. It's a pretty short update. Okay, so you did get your rejection from the 50, fell below the 21, came back up, retested the 21. Now it looks like you're getting resumption down. Let's see, we got 39 minutes left of this candle. That's kind of going to decide a lot. Your MACD is below the 0 line and the signal line, but your negative momentum is decreasing a little bit. Now, you're still in the bearish control zone, but you tried to get out. So you did have a test up to the top of the bearish control zone. So now we'll see if you can build the momentum to get above that signal line and the top of that bearish control zone. Your BBWP is in the upper zone, so your volatility is starting to increase. Now, right now it looks like we're either going to get a test up to the 50 at 89.60 region, 89.50 region. But that all that could be is a lower high. We need to get back above. Basically, we need to get back above this 100 at 92.40 to 50 region on a 1 hour closure. And then our next resistance would be the 200 at 95.45. Next resistance would be 97.40 regions. Now, if we do break that last low, next spot I'm looking at is way down to the depths, all the way down to like 56 to 55 region. But that's if we break this last low. So that's very important. I mean, we could come all the way back down here, make a double bottom. This is going to be major support right here. First of all, we got this diagonal line. Second of all, we got this last low. People are going to be trading that like it's a double bottom. Some people, I mean, I can't speak for everybody, but I know some traders will treat that as a double bottom. So I would expect at least a bounce from that area. Then it's going to decide whether we break that last low. Now, if we can get above all these major moving averages that do have a downward slope right now, get back above this purple box, we're going to go ahead and change this to green, actually, because if we can get back above here, I think we go to the next green box. So that's going to decide a lot. If we can make our way back up here, turn these moving averages around, cross this 21 and this 50, and cross them both on that 100, which probably would happen if we could get back into this green zone. So there's your validation and invalidation levels to the upside and the downside. Let's go ahead and check out the daily. Oh, come on, trading view. I'm going to get a sip of this coffee. Oh, never mind. I don't have it. Damn it. Okay, so let's delete. Well, no, we got a major support here, because if we fall below that, we are screwed. Oh, hold on. Actually, that would lead us back down to here. So yeah, we need to hold that purple region, that's for sure. We'll come back to that, because if we if we break that purple region, that's not going to look good at all. I just noticed that. So all your moving averages do have negative slopes. It looks like they are all contracted. Your 21 is trying to cross your 100 to the downside. 200's all the way up here. That'd be a major level of resistance, especially since we have this purple box still up here. Let's see, MACD below the 0 line. Pretty good downward slope. Looks like your negative momentum is waning a little bit, but it's just kind of went flat. Your BBWP is in the lower zone, RSI in the bearish control zone, below the signal line. So you do have some negative momentum right now. This could have just been a bounce. Kind of looks like it, especially with what Bitcoin's doing right now. These coins are right on the level of getting real bearish. Doesn't mean we can't turn around. This could be one massive bear trap, but a lot of it's going to depend on what Bitcoin does. So those are my thoughts for Solana. If you guys like the video, like and subscribe to the channel. I've noticed that a lot of the views, a lot of the people aren't subscribed. So if you guys like the content, subscribe to the channel and get more of this content, get these notifications, turn on the all button so you're notified every time we post this daily analysis and our interviews on Saturday. Check the description below for all the affiliate links, link to our Discord, my Twitter, all that. Everyone have a great morning, great afternoon, great evening.